Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
The Rolling Stones Tour 2024. A Stones tour isn't just a show, it's an event. And industry insider Danny Abelson goes behind the scenes to uncover the magic of the iconic sound behind the band's current tour. The 2024 Infocom Expo wraps up in Las Vegas, and we present our exclusive picks for the coolest, new, live sound products at the show. Don't miss it. This month, we check out club sound projects. So feel the beat, turn it up, get down, and ready to party as we look into some new club installs that take live sound to the next level. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on dynamic, handheld vocal mics. We have line arrays and digital consoles, but are you still using 50-year-old vocal mic designs? We present more recent models offering newer technologies and improved performance. One of the hottest tickets in New York is this Tony Award-winning new musical featuring the songs of Alicia Keys. Brian Reisman chats with the audio crew about creating the sound's rich, immersive sound design. The industry has long had specialized mics for kick drums and snares. Now, Lawton Audio launches mics for toms. Creating a workable monitoring environment can be tough, even with a basic rock band, but things can get way more complicated when you're dealing with 90 voices. John McJunkin offers some practical solutions.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.